Hello everyone, I'm Malik Hamza, your guide to navigating the world of AI. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you find this video helpful.
Today, we'll explore how GPT can assist data analysts in their work. Meet Noman, a data analyst, and Hamza, his colleague. Noman is struggling with a large dataset. He needs to clean the data and generate insights quickly.
Why not use GPT to help with this? It can automate many of the tasks you're doing manually.
First, Noman inputs the raw data into GPT and asks it to identify and correct any inconsistencies. GPT quickly processes the data, highlighting errors and suggesting corrections. Next, Noman asks GPT to provide a summary of the key trends and patterns. Within seconds, GPT generates a concise report, saving Noman hours of work.
Look at how much time we've saved. GPT can also help with generating visualizations and making predictions based on the data.
Noman asks GPT to create visualizations. The tool generates graphs and charts that make the data easier to understand and present. With GPT, Noman and Hamza can focus more on strategic analysis, rather than getting bogged down in data cleaning and initial reporting.
And that's how GPT can revolutionize the workflow of a data analyst. It's efficient, accurate, and incredibly useful. I'm Malik Hamza, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more AI tips and tricks. See you in the next chapter.